Thanksgiving is approaching, and I know for many of you, the thought of preparing a large feast is overwhelming. But I wanted to remind you, here at Convection Kitchen, you will find many resources to help you effortlessly prepare a fabulous feast using your convection and steam ovens. Convection ovens are the ideal tool for taking the stress out of cooking a turkey and multiple side dishes. Why? Because the circulating heated air roasts the turkey faster, cooking it from the edge to the center. However, you still have to rest the turkey, make the gravy, and carve the turkey, all of which takes approximately 50 minutes. During the 50 minutes, you can now load up your oven with the oven side dishes, and that circulating hot air, which will cook every dish evenly, so that everything will be ready to serve piping hot when your turkey is ready. It really is as easy as it sounds, and the Thanksgiving playlist on my YouTube channel features a selection of videos that will show you how to plan and execute an amazing feast. Some videos you might find helpful include convection roasting tips for a stress-free Thanksgiving. This video will give you an overview of the choreography of the meal. Planning is key to successfully orchestrating the cooking of many dishes, and this video will help you formulate your plan. Choosing the right pan to roast your turkey is more important than you may realize, and the video, Best Roasting Pans for Convection, explains which pan to use for best results. Flavorful gravy is a crucial component of the feast, and making a flavorful stock in advance eliminates a lot of stress on the day of cooking. Now, if you're trying something new this year, such as roasting a turkey in the spatchcock style, or roasting a heritage turkey, or maybe scaling down and just roasting a turkey breast, you will also find videos to guide you with those options and help you have success using convection. As well as planning your turkey feast, you may want to take and also plan what to do with the extra turkey. Fortunately, turkey blends well in casseroles, soups, and stews, and of course, makes delicious sandwiches. I decided to make turkey black bean enchiladas and freeze some in smaller batches to avoid turkey fatigue. And of course, I made stock for those wonderful winter soups, stews, and braises. Nothing should go to waste. I hope you will find inspiration here at Convection Kitchen to put your amazing convection ovens to work and ease the stress of cooking for you this holiday season, and that you'll enjoy amazing results. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.